Hello Internet! Today we are assembling our do-it-yourself automated deposit safe. For this reason we need the following parts. First of all, Raspberry Pi. So I installed this already in the casing. Screen, printer and the bill validator. I will assemble everything and we will see how it goes. So to support UV connection, there are already several schemes what available on the CashUnit.com website, which you can download. So here you can see the connection scheme, and so here how to connect the scheme, how to connect RS232 converter to a Raspberry Pi. So we are doing this. We inserting these cables here. Plus 3 volts, 3 volts. Oops. And ground. We have installed everything like this. For the connection of the bill validator, we need to prepare a special cable. All the cables you can find in our frequently asked questions. Also, we are attaching here power to bill validator, like this one. And finally, we are attaching printer using USB cable, like this. So I will assemble everything and we'll see how it runs. So here, as you can see, we connected everything all together. Now we turn on our Raspberry Pi and waiting till it loads. Yeah, we have to wait a little bit and to see main desktop of the Raspberry system. So to run our CashUnit program, we need to change the folder. And we need to run the script cashunit.sh. So here you can see main interface. We already uploaded here information about our one service, which should accept the money. So here we're simply clicking on it. Wait till bill validator prepares itself, and we can accept. If we finished, we are stop accepting, and you see printer have printed everything. So now you can install everything, all of these components inside the safe, and practice yourself how it will work. Thank you for watching.